Hi, I'm Emily. I'm the nurse and patient manager at RiverRock Medical Clinic in Austin, Texas. And I'm excited to share with you guys our telehealth kits. So each member is going to go home with one of these, and it's going to equip you with some really cool tools at home to keep an eye on some things. So first off, we have your blood pressure cuff. Super sleek, super minimal. The monitor is attached to the cuff. And we did test this in the office to make sure it was accurate. And it is one of the few cuffs out there that is FDA approved, so we're good there. You want to have the monitor on the inside of your arm where you can read the logo. This is just where it reads most accurately. Press that strap down. You don't want it too loose, nice and fit here. And then just sit back, relax, press start, and then you'll see your reading pop up here. Love that. So next we have your pulse oximeter. Hold this button down here, and then you put your finger on the light here, and it measures your oxygen saturation and your heart rate. So you know it's working when the bars are jumping up to the top. And then at the top here, your oxygen should be above 90%, optimally above 92%. Anything below 90% needs attention. Here is your heart rate. For most people, we're sticking between 60 and 90 beats per minute. If you're really athletic, you may live below 60, and that's okay. We just want to know your norm. Anything outside of your norm needs attention, and anything above 100 needs attention. So that's really easy. And then lastly, we have this awesome camera I'm excited about. Just press this button here, and this light pops on, and there's a camera inside. This is really great if you have a sore throat, you think something's wrong or inside your ear. It can go inside, and you use an app that shows your video or your picture while you're using it. It gives us a really great visual, better than the iPhone, of what's going on. So hopefully we can save you a trip to come to the office and assess you from home with this. So I'm really excited. These tools are amazing. It was Dr. Hakim's idea, and I just have to brag on him that he hand put these logos on all these bags for you guys. He's actually very crafty, and I'm so impressed. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this kit, and let us know if you need anything.